Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm sharing how I refreshed my dried up Inka Gold. I have them laying around in my shelf for about 2 years now, and I planned either to throw them away or to repair them. I decided to give it a try, and what I'm using is cooked water to avoid that I get some bacteria in the color because they tend to get moldy, and I use some glycerin to avoid that they will dry up again so quick. What I've learned during the process I'm doing here, that it's better to add water and let it sit for about 30 minutes. That makes it much easier to crumble up the paint. I'm repeating this process, letting the paint sit with water and adding more water if it's still too dry, and crumble it up into little bits and pieces, and in the end you will get a really nice creamy paint. Now I'm adding the glycerin. I use about 2 drops. And it works as a retarder, so I try to avoid that the color will dry up so quick again. And here is the black paint. I've already let it sit for a while and mix it through, and this is the finished result, and I'm really happy about it. In case you have added too much water, what you can do in the end, you can leave the lid open for a while, and I'm sure the water will dry up. After a while, I open up the red paint and mix it through again. One thing that is really important about the Inka Gold is that you never go in with your fingers, and that you always keep your tools clean, because it's a beeswax base and it will get moldy. I have thrown about 5 or 6 paints away. Now I think the black paint is okay to try it out. And it works pretty fine. It's not the same as brand new Inka Gold, but you can use them, and that's the point because of the pricey product. And after one more night, it looks like this. Isn't that gorgeous? That's my video for today. Nothing creative in the end, but I hope it was helpful for you. Please give me a thumb up and share this video with your crafty friends. Bye!